Hello everyone, I am back with another review. Today is going to be on the Bullwhip, a Hot Wheels car. Sorry for not making any videos because I was busy with a lot of real stuff. So anyways, let's get into it. So the Bullwhip, it has a cool base, a cool metal base, and also an amazing plastic body. He even has a roof. Oh, and the older ones has an openable roof, but this newer one does not have an openable roof anymore. I'm gonna search it for it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the older Bullwhip. Let's compare him to the newer Bullwhip. See, the highlights in front of the base are now a little bit visible, more visible on the newer one. The interior is the same, but the interior is different for the roof, and these two things are attached into the body. So they cut the pieces of the newer one and made a non-openable roof. On the older Bullwhip, you can open the roof. You can take out the roof, while the older one you cannot take anymore. And there's no going back from this. We can see that the back is the same. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Anyways guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!